We're still out west on our Heritage School tour. On today's edition of the program, we'll visit 3 schools. First up, Chester Castle All Age and Infant School in Hanover. Amen. What a powerful way to start our tour of Chester Castle. After introductions and information about the JIS, we settled in to get a taste of what the school had to offer. And my, oh my, it was a lot.
The roads are rocky, the hills are steep, the macca scratches, and the road is deep. The town is far, news travel slow, and the mountain men has far to go. From riverside to mountains, from Caenwood to the sea. Our hearts salute Jamaica, triumphant, proud and free. Howdy and thank you, the Bracknell Square. Howdy, how you do? Thank you. Beg your pardon, excuse me. Practice of your courtesy.
Even teachers were in the mix.
Them say from Good Friday morning, a job will not get no ease. Morning, noon and night and break time, she was yamming bun and cheese. For breakfast, lunch and dinner, she yam so bun and cheese. She carry go to church and move in pictures if you please. She not count salvation again, cut her yard past rice and peas. Hear her. Me put pot on fire when me got me bun and cheese.
The pieces were bashy. But what bowled us over was the thoughtfulness of school administrators. They turned the heritage ceremony into a Heroes Award function. Community persons who have been supporting the school were recognized.
Persons who are always looking out for the goodwill of the children, persons who have been community leaders, whether at church, whether in their business places, or whether just being a community leader.
Westmoreland's Strawberry Primary and Junior High School was our next stop. But no, there were no strawberries there. And they too didn't disappoint. As you'll see, not even the rain could dampen their lively performances.
It's long time, girl. Look, you walk on top. There's a brown girl in the ring. Cha-la-la-la, there's a brown girl in the ring. Cha-la-la-la-la, she looks like a sugar in a plum, plum, plum.
See?
Deep in the low, me not deep in the land. Heroes, national heroes.
Even the infant school students loving the substance over hype message. Trust me, there were other performances, but the program would be too long. But thank you, Strawberry Primary and Junior High. We'll see you again. Our final stop was Duncans All Age School in Trelawney. Like Strawberry Primary, they danced to Come Make Me Hold Your Hand and spoke about national hero Marcus Mosiah Garvey. The students also gave spirited history lessons on national hero Paul Bogle. Our visit to Duncans All Age wouldn't be complete without performances from the talented students. Not true? See for yourself.
No, you name Kojo Scoop or visit Nana Kitchen and get lang for gungo soup. But all you can say is actually boy about top. What I'm telling sweet Jamaican joke you use to pop. Him get back and walk through the door, him head in the ear. Them gal ball after him. Not going, what's who there? And from that night till today, they all got him for mark. Miss Mary dry foot boy can't get over the shock. Aye, aye, aye.
Aye, 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 indeed. And that's all we've got for you today. We have a few more schools to showcase, so make sure you join us then. All right?